everyone, welcome back to my channel Musings of Akanksha. So today we have come up with third episode in our series of FAQs, wherein we have already had an episode based on FAQs related to parenting, FAQs related to married life, and today we'll be discussing FAQs related to sibling relationships, especially for the one who have two kids, two or more. So let's get started. Okay, so our first question is, how can I teach them to share? Well, yes, sharing is very important. No matter you have one child, two child or more, teaching them sharing is very important. Now the important question here is, how can I teach them sharing, or how can you teach them sharing? First and most important thing, model the behavior that you want them to display. Share things with your family, friends, your acquaintances, everyone. Because unless you are open with sharing, you cannot teach your child to share. So, and praise them every time they share. Tell them that how sharing is important, because today they might have to share something with their sibling. Tomorrow, even their sibling would share something with them. Tell them good things about sharing. Tell them stories about sharing. Praise their behavior. If needed, reward their behavior. And I think they'll learn. Okay, so our second question is, how can I help them bond? यार ये तो बहुत important है, क्योंकि siblings के बीच में bond तो होना ही चाहिए, वरना हर समय लड़ते रहेंगे, बचपन में भी बड़े होकर भी. And I think the bond between siblings comes naturally, but in few cases where it might not come naturally, there are a lot of things you can do right when they are very young, like you can give them chores to complete as a team. I'm sure when they'll get a task to be completed as a team, they'll bond, they'll talk to each other, they'll solve the problems, they'll bond. Or you can give them, maybe a one toy which they have to play, sharing with each other, some DIY kit, let's say maybe. You can give them a DIY kit of a plant, of a seed to grow as a plant, and they can do it together. You'll have to find ways, you'll have to give them some time, you'll have to assign that this half an hour you have to do all the activities together. Find a common interest of movie, play a movie, ask them to watch it together, and there are many ways you can ask them to stick together. They might, not like each other's company at the start, but they'll start enjoying it eventually, I'm sure. So our third question is, what if they are too competitive? Well, ask me. Yes, my son, my younger one, is very competitive. Every time I appreciate my daughter, he thinks that a limelight is being stolen by her, and he feels very FOMO, the word FOMO. He feels, he has a fear of missing out, and then he starts behaving very absurdly. This is very common. This happens with kids. They're ultimately kids. Why should I say kids? This can happen with adults also, they can get competitive with each other, that yes, I have done better or I have done better. You just have to, divert their energies in a positive manner. Make them sit, tell them that you both are siblings. You don't have any competition with each other. Both of them have their own qualities, both of them have their own USPs, and we can only get better by strengthening our strengths, not by competing with each other. That's how you can handle it. So the fourth question is, should I always intervene in their fights? Well, not always, of course. I would rather suggest, do not intervene in their fights at all until and unless they start hitting each other, or unless there is something risky happening. But I would suggest not to intervene in their fight. Tell them that they have all the rights to fight with each other, but they don't have to be physical, they don't have to be abusive, they have to stay in their limits. Talking with each other, argumenting is not a problem. That's healthy, that should happen. Even if you try to avoid it, that will happen somewhere in the future. Just that, set some boundaries for them. They can fight, they can argue, but there have to be boundaries. They have to be civilized. So as long as they're civilized, they're just fighting, then I'm sure they'll solve the issue. Okay, so the fifth and the last question for today's episode is, how can I make sure they appreciate each other? Well, very important question, very relevant too. अगर बच्चे, आपके दोनों बच्चे एक दूसरे को अप्रिशिएट नहीं कर रहे, एक दूसरे की प्रेजेंस को अप्रिशिएट नहीं कर रहे, they are not realizing how important and how good it is to have a sibling, there is one thing that you can do, which I also did. दोनों में से एक बच्चे का एक अलग रूटीन, सेपरेट रूटीन सेट कर दीजिए, wherein the other one is not involved. See, what happened in my case was, both my kids are going to school together. They were having their extracurriculars together. At home, of course, they were always together. So maybe they started, getting irritated of each other. So I decided to put my daughter in some classes where my son would not go. So I decided to I enrolled her to a dance class where my son was not going. So he started missing her. Mama, दीदी कब आएगी? मैं घर पे अकेला अकेला क्या करूंगा दीदी के बिना? मैं क्यों नहीं जाता हूँ दीदी के साथ? My daughter on the other hand also started missing her brother. कि मामा आप वाहिन को क्यों नहीं भेजते? वहां पे तो छोटे बच्चे भी आते हैं, हम दोनों साथ में जाएंगे, साथ में आएंगे. Now, I'm not saying that they are so stuck with each other together now that they don't want to do anything separately. No, they still want to do things separately. But yes, with these little things, you can, make them appreciate each other's presence. That's how it is. See, at the end, I would like to say no sibling relationship. In fact, no relationship is perfect. We just have to find ways to make it better at every phase of life, after every few days. आज मेरे बच्चे अच्छे से खेल रहे हैं एक दूसरे के साथ doesn't mean that tomorrow also they'll follow the same routine. So every day I'll have to find new ways to make them cordial with each other, to make them bond, to make them appreciate each other. That's it. That's how I think it is going to work. अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा है तो प्लीज प्रेस द लाइक बटन. ऑल्सो इन योर कमेंट्स लीव द कमेंट अबाउट द वीडियो. ऑल्सो टेल मी इफ यू आर लाइकिंग माई दीज वीडियोज, इफ यू वांट मी टू मेक मोर सच वीडियोज. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that already. Do not forget to press the bell icon to get notified every time I post a video. Tata, bye bye, namaste.